Hey YouTube, it is Saturday, July 20th, 2019, about 7:29 in the morning, and you see this building here. We are at the Denali National Park, and we are going to be doing the Kantishna experience. That is, we're going to as far in this park, which is 92 miles, that you can go. We've already gotten our tickets. This is the building that you go into when you come here, the transit bus thing. That's what it looks like inside. You can get some kind of books over there and things. This is the area. Here you can see Horseshoe Creek water bottle filling station. This is where you can see the film across time and tundra. You can see the time up there on that clock. This is the building that you come into. They got a little gift shop across there. But look at that up there. See all you got bear, deer, wolf, all kinds of things up there. Denali itself. This is where we'll load the bus over here in a little bit. It takes off at 7:45 in the morning. We've been here about 15 minutes. And so we'll be getting that in a little bit. All right, so we're going to our bus finally. It's a little bit late. That's the bus over there.
Good morning.
There you go. Sign. There's the bus. And they keep like to press that Tish part of that word. It says Kantishna. Powered by propane. This is a propane bus. There's what it looks like all the way down.
It was a cow, baby Yui.
Baby what?
Baby Yui.
Who's that?
The little baby.
Oh. All right, I've been asking.
We got the best one. You need it? That's right where it is.
Oh, guys.
Do that.
Well, here, these taller ones here. Okay, so we just started onto the gravel part of the road. We've come probably, I don't know, 10 miles or something in the park, I'd say, on pavement. And this is the view here. And looking out that way. But so far we've seen nothing where there wasn't links on the road, but just got to see him for a second, just the back of him way up in front. And then he was gone, so didn't get nothing of him, sadly. But this is the bus that we're on. Got quite a number of people on it. But these are the views, so hopefully I'll have something to bring later. First rest stop, and you can see I'm the only one on the bus. Everybody else left. That's what it looks like over there. And then over on this side, mountains. Alright, so we've probably come another 10 miles or so from our last stop. And you can see the views. Got some fireweed. Not much on the other side right now. And so we're kind of higher up here. Got some water back there. See some scenes there.
Seeing the animals, everybody's going to go to the side of the bus.
Yeah, right?
I'm going to go to that side.
Like the clouds on the mountains over there. And on back. Give you a peek down here. There you go. Got these views. It's a little stop here. Some fireweed. The distant views. It was over there where we saw the bear. Okay, this is the Eielson Visitor Center up here. In fact, you can see this. This says welcome to the Eielson Visitor Center. Just so you can see that. See this. It's part of the building. Got caribou, moose, wolf. Cutouts down there. And this is the overlook. There's a little trail you can walk. You can see people going down through there. Goes out there up to that overlook over there, looks like. That's just looking out this way. And you can see the center there. And the flag blowing in the wind. Alright, let's go check it out. So here we're out on one of the points that we walked out on. See how cloudy it is on these mountains. Very cloudy. But down there is a deep stretch. Oh, there's a, I don't know if that's a ground squirrel. If he's a ground squirrel, he looks different from our ground squirrels. So we got him, hopefully. Alright, so that's the Eielson Visitor Center from back here, where we've been shooting that little squirrel thing. You can see all the mountains. Here, let me take you down here and show you. This is a nice layout here. You can see the building, the buses, of course the mountains. Clouds up there on that mountain. And look, we actually have some blue sky. It's actually starting to clear up a little bit. And this is a little gravel trail we're walking on. And going to start heading back. You can see some of the mountains out there that they're really cloud covered. That's actually the way that we're going when we leave here in a little while. We got about 14 minutes, so I'm told. So that's where we'll be heading. Alright, end of the road right there.
End of the road. Woo, you made it.
Finally.
One more. Oh, he says finally.
Thank you. Okay, I wanted to get the sign all by itself. So you can see end of the road, mile 92.5 to Denali National Park and Preserve. So we made it. It looks that way. If you look to the left of the sign, straight ahead. That's to the right of the sign. And this is the road that we came down to here. And so this is the end of the road, 92.5 miles. Now we got to do 92.5 back. Right now it is 1:42 in the afternoon, and this started at probably 7:50 or so this morning. So to get back, if you do that math, that's working on close to 6 hours. So probably be maybe close to 8 o'clock before we get back. There's what it looks like from here with the mountains, and that's our bus for right there. So that's the horse we rode in here on, and the horse we're riding out on. So I think that's what we'll be doing. Alright, so this is our first stop on the way back, and this is called Wonder Lake. Let's take a look here. See right down in there is a little shell down in there. I mean, it's tiny, but anyway, the lake goes all the way through there. So it's a huge lake. Alright, so heading back, we're past the Eielson Visitor Center. You see this fog? This is what it looks like going back. So can't see too much of anything. What it looks like on the other side. This is the weather about 20 minutes later from the last I showed you. See up there? Look at that blue sky. And the light. And look over there. Pretty cool.